Ditto doesn't appear in the wild as itself. Instead, it's disguises as common Pokemon. To catch one in 2025, here's the trick. Know the disguise list. Ditto usually hides a certain Pokemon like PJ, Zubat, or Rattata, though the list changes. Check updated disguise lists regularly. Catch everything suspicious. If you see one of the possible disguised Pokemon, don't ignore it. Catch it. Ditto only reveals itself after you catch the disguised Pokemon. Use incense and lures. Increase spawn of disguised Pokemon by using incense or setting up lure modules. Special events. During special events, Ditto disguises may change and the spawn rate can go higher. So keep an eye on event announcement. And lastly, be patient. Sometimes it can take many catches before Ditto appears, so don't give up. So here's my secret tip for 2025. If you can catch the same Pokemon repeatedly and notice one will slightly unusual, catch difficulty. Harder to catch, more escape. That one has a higher chance of being Ditto.